What up, YouTube? It's another day. Happy Friday, everybody. We're going to go over the easiest and the laziest ways to make money, period. Okay? Number 4 all the way to number 1. I'll be giving you the pros and I'll be giving you the cons of all 4 of them. If you haven't already, make sure you sub up to the channel. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Any questions, any concerns are always welcomed in the comment section. Okay, let's get to it. We're going to start off with number 4, YouTube. Okay, number 4, curb painting. Okay, if you're subbed up to this channel, you already know what curb painting is about. All right, we're helping the community, we're making money. This is super huge for teenagers, but also possible for adults. Okay, men or women, young or old. Okay, this is something that is very low barrier to entry, so it doesn't take a lot of money to really start this side hustle. Okay, it really don't take a lot of money for all 4 of them, but definitely this one. Okay, I'm thinking about 35 to 100 bucks, depending on what you want to be able to do. All right, basic colors, nothing crazy. Okay, that's the pros about it. All right, you can really get started today by doing curb painting. All right, really simple, teenagers or adults. All right, that's the pros. Okay, the cons of curb painting is, well, if it's raining, right? Weather conditions, location. I say it all the time. Location is super huge and super important. So if you're not in a proper location to do curb painting, then you're not going to be able to do curb painting. It's that simple right there. All right. So that's the pros and cons of curb painting. All right. Again, an amazing hustle that anyone can do. All right. This is a hustle that is, for the most part, done outside, in person. Okay, so these so number 3 and number 4 of these hustles can be done in person, and number 2 and number 1 is typically done online. All right, so that was number 4. Number 3, okay, window cleaning. Okay, window cleaning. I've had great success with window cleaning. I don't post a lot of those videos on there on the channel, but window cleaning is definitely left to me is a huge potential to make money. It is, again, low entry to barrier, so it really doesn't take a lot to really get in there. Right, you really just need like 35 again to 100 bucks, and you can get the material to get started. Right, and the thing about window cleaning, all you need is soap and water. You could definitely get that. You could buy that dollar store material stuff for sure. It really comes on to you getting the sale. That's what it comes down to, you getting the sale. All right, the pros with window cleaning, you can get started today as well. Right, spend that 35 to 100, depending on where you are, is making sales and getting sales, you're good to go. All right, so window cleaning is number 3 over curb painting, just because you don't need to really buy paint like curb painting. Right, all you need to buy is soap and a squeegee and maybe like some type of sponge or scraper, and then you're good to go. It really comes down to you making the sale. Right, and part of the sale comes with curb painting as well. It's just I think it's a little bit easier to sell with curb painting than there is with window cleaning. All right, so number 4 we have curb painting. Number 3 we have window cleaning. All right, number 2 we have coaching. YouTube, coaching. Think about coaching as you need experience to really coach individuals and tell people what to do, how to do this. Right, there's no substitute for experience. I want everybody to listen up. There's no substitute for experience. You can't substitute that for anything. Right, so you got to understand that you need to get that experience so you can delegate that experience how you want to. Right, you need to do things so you can be like, you know what, I don't like it that way, I want you to do it this way. Right, but again, with coaching, you can do coaching, I believe, 2 different ways. All right, one, you can do like via Zoom, right, or in person, right, back and forth that way. Number 2, you can do online content. You can make online programs. Right, I have an online master course where I teach curb painting, right? And that online master course is in a digital format where anyone can buy this format and this class and really just get started today. And they can get started on the fast ball, right? They don't gotta go over those trials and errors of maybe I should do this, maybe I should do that, what type of paint I should get, all that stuff right there. So that's what an online course looks like, right? And that's why I say that is also coaching. Right, that's me coaching individuals and telling them how to do it and what to do. That's part of coaching. Now I personally do coaching multiple ways. Okay, I do coaching with fitness. I do coaching via Zoom, and I do coaching via online course. Right, so I have an online course. I do it in person, and I do it via Zoom. This is number 2 on making money because, again, I truly believe this is one of the best ways you can make money. It doesn't take a lot. It just needs experience. That's all you need is experience, so you can really, like I said, delegate how you want people to do things, right? How they should do things. You gotta go through a certain trial of error to understand this doesn't work or that doesn't work. That's just part of everything, right? You cannot substitute for experience for anything, period. So you got to go through that, all right? And you can't be able to coach again without doing that. So that's the con of coaching, right? You need to get the experience so you can delegate that experience, right? The pro of it, you don't need nothing. You need nothing to start coaching, okay? Just coach. Right? Whether that's in person, whether that's online. Now, if you have like an online master course, you might have to pay for some type of programming and stuff like that. But other than that, like, you're good to go. You're good to go right there, right? So number 4, YouTube, we got curb painting. Number 3 on the list, we have window cleaning. Number 2 on the list, we have coaching, right? And number 1, in my opinion, the best way to make money, the laziest way to make money, the easiest way to make money is on YouTube. Okay? YouTube is where it's at. Why? Because all you gotta do is record whatever you do on a daily basis consistently, and you're going to make content, and then if you do it consistently, you're gonna make money from that content. And all you got to do, because everybody who's watching this video has a YouTube channel, all you got to do is record what you're doing. Try to do it a particular way. Maybe, put a little spin on it a little bit, right? You do that consistently, you're going to make huge money from it. That is why it's number 1 for me. That is why it should be number 1 for you, right? It's one of the best things you could possibly do with your life. And I don't even care who you are. I don't care what you do, though. One of the best things you could do for your life, since you already have a channel, you're already watching this video, is to create content on a consistent basis. Every day if you got to. All day if you got to. You do whatever you got to do to get the job done, but it's going to be in your favor. It's going to be in your best interest to do this, okay? I can't stress this enough. This is always going to be my number 1. It's content creation. Whether it's YouTube, it could be Twitch, it could be other things. But I say YouTube because that's the big dog right now. Not TikTok, right? Not IG. YouTube. Content creation is going to be there forever. Forever. All right? I can't stress that enough. And guys, those are my top 4 ways to make money, period, for beginners. All right? You want lazy ways? These are top 4. You want easy ways? These are top 4. All right? The best ways to make money today: curb painting, window cleaning, okay, coaching, and YouTube. Make sure you guys sub up to the channel, thumbs up on the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!